joins us live. This seems absurd that they're so outdated they can't even catch a $21 billion problem.
Well, the IRS has traditionally paid a tax refund before they compare the information on a tax return to other information that they have from the organizations like employers and so forth. And that's a good thing for consumers to get their refunds sooner. But it's a bad thing for us in terms of fraud prevention, because now, as you said, anyone who can get your Social Security number, which is the key to doing this, get your name, your birth date, can file a tax return in your name, make up all the numbers, deductions, doesn't matter what the real numbers are. They get an immediate tax refund, and then before the fraud is actually discovered, when you go to file your taxes, when the IRS rejects your tax return as being a duplicate filing.
I get it, but I might add that I can't think of a business in America that would operate in such a way that you would see, I have these debits and these credits, and you wouldn't check them before. It just seems like the most absurd thing on earth.
Yeah, I have no defense for the IRS, because this has actually been going on for quite a long time. And you think with all their power to crunch numbers, with all their computing capability, they'd be able to come up with a solution to this. They have offered a partial solution for people who think their Social Security number is breached. They could fill out a form from the IRS website, which will assign them a PIN number that can be used to file their taxes. Theoretically, the crook doesn't have the PIN. They can't file taxes in your name. But you can't file that form unless you've been the victim of identity theft or have had some sort of security breach.
When people are caught, and people are caught, what happens to them? Is the penalty such that it would be a deterrent?
No, because the money is so great, I don't think there's any deterrent that is great enough in line with these type of penalties. So you're talking about a jail term of maybe 2 to 3 years, depending on the amount. But the money is so great that people aren't going to be dissuaded from committing this crime. And it's so easy to commit, Shepard. That's the frustrating part about it.
I'll say it is. Mr. Lanza, it's nice to talk to you. Thanks very much.
Good talking to you, Shepard.